Hello students, welcome you all to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. In this video we will discuss about the life cycle of Vaucheria species. Vaucheria comes under the class Xanthophyceae. Okay, let's start. At first, Vaucheria has a haplontic life cycle. That means the main part of the life cycle or the dominant stage of life cycle is haploid in nature, and the only diploid stage in the whole life cycle is the zygote or oospore. The Vaucheria is commonly known as water felt. This yellow-green color alga forms thick mat on fresh water as well as damp soil. The main plant body is very unique because the cells are cenocytic in nature. That means one cell but many nuclei. It is a long branched tube-like structure with many nuclei. Multinucleate condition is otherwise known as cenocytic. Multinucleate condition is otherwise known as cenocytic condition. Okay. There are no internal cross wall or septa. So this is the structure of Vaucheria, where it is a single cell. There is no cell wall or cross wall between the cells. So there is a single cell but many nuclei are there. So this condition is called as cenocytic condition. The main plant body is thallus, and the thallus is branched tube like structure and with hollow filament without cross walls. Then they have nuclei, they have many nuclei. Plastids contain a large central vacuole, multiple nuclei, disc shaped chloroplast. Remember this, Vaucheria has disc shaped chloroplast sit in the surrounding cytoplasm. Food storage, it stores energy as oil droplets. So Vaucheria, the stored food material is oil in case of Vaucheria. Then modes of reproduction, it reproduces by vegetative means, sexual means as well as asexual means. So vegetatively Vaucheria reproduce by fragmentation, which can occur due to the mechanical injury or animal bite or any kind of breakage due to any kind of environmental stress. So the body of Vaucheria breaks into many fragments. Each fragment further grow to form a new organism or new thallus. Then healing, the plant quickly forms new wall or septum to seal the broken end. Sometimes the fragment break into many parts and those fragments quickly grow or heal to form a new thallus. Then grow, each broken piece grow independently into new filament. So all of this comes under fragmentation. So mostly Vaucheria reproduce vegetatively by fragmentation. Okay. Next, asexual reproduction. It varies depending on whether the species lives in water or on land, because some species live on water, some species lives on land. By zoospore. At first, zoospore. Some aquatic species produce zoospores which formed inside a globe-shaped structure called zoosporangium at the tip of the branch. Produces large, unique, multinucleate and multiflagellated syn zoospore. So that zoosporangium produces many multiflagellated and multinucleated syn zoospores. Those syn zoospores swims briefly, settle down, drops its flagella and germinate directly to form a new haploid filament of Vaucheria. By aplanospore. Some terrestrial species of Vaucheria reproduce by aplanospore. It occurs during dry conditions on land. The plant forms thin-walled, non-moving spores called aplanospore. Zoospores are motile in nature, but aplanospores are non-motile in nature. These spores, when formed, escape when container wall breaks and grow when moisture returns. Next, by hypnospore or akinets, but it takes place in unfavorable condition. Zoospore and aplanospore form during favorable condition, but hypnospore and akinets form during unfavorable conditions. Here the filament breaks into segments and each segment develops into a thick protective wall. These resting spores can withstand in extreme environmental stress. When favorable condition returns, these fragments again grow as a new individual. Okay. Then sexual reproduction. It is oogamous in nature. Most species are homothallic. That means male and female organ grow on a same filament. Male organ is called as antheridium, which is curved hook-like branch that cuts off from main tube by wall. It produces many tiny or small spindle-shaped biflagellated antherozoids. Next, female organ is called as oogonium. It is rounded egg-shaped structure with distinct beak-like opening at the top. Though it starts with many nuclei, all degenerate except one single nucleus. So finally it produces a single egg. Okay. Then fertilization. Antheridium and oogonium open at same time. That means they mature at same time. Many sperms gather at oogonial beak, but only one sperm enters to fuse the egg to form diploid zygote. Okay. That zygote form a thick protective coat. So the oospore secrete a thick wall and undergoes a resting phase after its formation. Then after some times during germination it undergoes meiosis, that means reductional division, because oospore is diploid in nature. After meiosis it forms many haploid cells. Those haploid cells undergoes germination to form new Vaucheria filament or thallus. So in this way the whole life cycle of Vaucheria completes. So they reproduce asexually by forming zoospore or aplanospore or akinets. Vaucheria produce Antheridia oogonia. During sexual reproduction, Antheridia form antherozoids, oogonia form ovum. They fuse with each other to form zygote. Then oospore undergoes meiosis to form haploid cells. Those haploid cells undergoes germination to form new Vaucheria filament. Okay. So with this I am concluding my lecture video here. I hope you will enjoy and will get benefit from this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share with your other friends, and please subscribe to my channel Sunanda's Tutorial. Thank you.